In this video, we can talk about top 5 GitHub alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we will be talking about the amazing alternatives of GitHub that will take your coding experience to new heights. Get ready as we explore top 5 alternatives including Visual Studio, Tabnine, GPT-3 Demo, Codeium, and Ask Codi Now that will revolutionize the way you collaborate on projects. So, without waiting anymore, let's begin to explore. The first alternative on our list is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a widely acclaimed integrated development environment, IDE, developed by Microsoft. It offers a rich set of features including bug tracking, code review, custom development, and application management. It supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, making it a versatile choice for developers of all levels. And one of the standout features that makes it different from others is its seamless integration with other Microsoft tools and services. Next up is Tabnine. Tabnine is an AI-powered code completion tool that helps you write code faster and with fewer errors. It offers various features like bug tracking, analytics, analyzing code patterns, and version control. By leveraging machine learning, Tabnine analyzes your code and suggests context-aware completions in real time. However, one of the standout features of Tabnine is its ability to support various. Our third alternative is GPT-3 Demo. Powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5 language model, GPT-3 Demo is a tool that brings advanced natural language processing capabilities to your coding workflow. It offers features like text summarizations, generating programming code, and enhancing collaboration. It enables you to interact with your code using plain English, making it easier to write and modify complex code snippets. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to provide a unique approach to code generation and enabling developers to explore new ways of coding. Moving on to our fourth alternative, we have Codeium. Codeium is a collaborative coding platform that streamlines teamwork and code review processes. It offers features like intelligent search, AI-powered autocomplete, and AI-powered chat. It provides a centralized space for developers to collaborate, discuss code changes, and track project progress. And one of the standout features of Codeium is real-time editing and commenting to maintain a seamless collaboration among team members. Last but not least, we have Ask Codi Now. Ask Codi Now is an intelligent code search and knowledge-sharing platform. It offers features like conversational assistance, workbooks, multiple language support, and collaboration. Whether you're looking for a solution to a coding problem or want to share your expertise, Ask Codi Now has got you covered. One of the standout features of Ask Codi Now is its ability to provide developers with real-time code-based iteration and prototyping features. Compared to GitHub, Visual Studio provides a comprehensive development environment with a rich set of features for coding and deploying applications. Tabnine, on the other hand, analyzes code patterns and provides context-aware code suggestions in real time. While GPT-3 Demo provides a unique approach to code generation, enabling developers to explore new ways of coding. Codeium is a collaborative coding platform designed to streamline teamwork and code review processes. Lastly, we have Ask Codi Now, that employs machine learning algorithms to index and retrieve code snippets from various sources. Considering the wide range of features and versatility, we would recommend Visual Studio as the best alternative to GitHub. It provides a comprehensive development environment with advanced coding, debugging, and deployment capabilities. The seamless integration with Microsoft's ecosystem and its support for multiple programming languages make it a reliable and powerful tool for developers. We hope this in-depth comparison has provided you with valuable insights into the different GitHub alternatives available. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.